everyone, welcome back to my channel, Living the Loungefly Life. My name is Corrine, and we talk about anything Disney, Loungefly, Funko Pops, pins, you name it, we're going to talk about it. Today I have an unboxing for you today, and something my husband has ordered. So I have no idea what's in the box. Usually I do know, and he's already unboxed it for me, but today we have a box from Fun.com. It's one of the companies that will ship to Canada along with Entertainment Earth, Box Lunch, Hot Topic. We don't have any small Loungefly shops up here, so it's quite rare for us to find anything here, except for, I think I have 4 options to buy Loungefly, and that's from Spencer's, GameStop, Hot Topic, and a store called Discovery Hut up here in Canada. So let's get started. We'll unbox this and we'll see what we got today. Okay, so there's what's in the box. So let's see. Oh my god. I did not think I would get this. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you could tell what it is. Oh my gosh, it's darling. I absolutely love it. Stuff. And then I lay the paper. It's so soft. Oh my goodness. Okay, this might be my new bag I'm going to use next. Oh. Oh my goodness. This is the Disney Winnie the Pooh Halloween costume cosplay mini bag from Fun.com. There he is. His mane here is all like vegan leather placard. His ears and his face are all fuzzy. His nose and eyes and his mouth are all embroidered. His little lion paws are vegan leather. And his little arms here are soft. Same with his pumpkin here is a vegan leather applique. His shirt is like, you can see that, it's like a corduroy there on the side pocket there. Black Loungefly placard. Let me take off the little protector on there so you can see that. Working side pockets. Again, this here is like the red corduroy and this fuzzy here and here with the red leather lining for the zipper, and it's pewter zipper. The bottom is yellow vegan leather, and on the back there is red padded straps. And there he is in his full costume. The little Winnie the Pooh down here with his little trick-or-treat pumpkin. Really adorable. And what's it say? This glows in the dark. So I'm curious to see what glows in the dark. I don't think it says. This little guy, he glows in the dark. So let's take a look at the interior lining. Oh my goodness, that's adorable. I'll just move all of this. And it has one slip pocket. And then on the inside you have, it says trick or treat. It's got the pumpkin with candy, and then little Winnie the Pooh with his little lion costume on there with his little candy bucket. Really cute. I love it. It was a nice little surprise to get in the mail today. So yeah, a new spooky bag for this season. And it's our Winnie the Pooh cosplay mini backpack from fun.com. Really gorgeous. I love the detailing on that, like the corduroy for his shirt and all the fuzzy. It's so soft. This cute little mane. Yeah, he's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm so happy to add this to my collection. I think I will switch out to this one from my Nightmare Before Christmas bag. So there. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to subscribe, that helps out the channel a lot. And I will see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.